Hey YouTube, my name is TJ and I am a full-time NFT artist, collector, trader, and content creator. I also do daily blockchain gaming and NFT discussion live streams on Twitch, and I give away crypto and or NFTs every single day live on stream. I also regularly do crypto and or NFT giveaways on Twitter and Discord. So if you'd like to follow me and come hang out, all of my socials are linked in the description down below. And speaking of free crypto, that's what this video is all about. Today we're going to be talking about Earnify, Ernie.fi, EARNI.fi, a website I stumbled across the other day that helps you find crypto and or NFT airdrops that you might be eligible to claim unbeknownst to you, which is what happened to me. So I stumbled upon the site the other day. I found it in a Discord server, which is why I always advocate getting involved in some good NFT Discord communities. But the site is Ernie.fi or Earnify, and what it does is you can put in your ETH wallet address here, your Ethereum wallet address, and it might potentially find some crypto or NFT airdrops that you're eligible to receive and have not claimed. So I just plugged in my wallet address here the other day, and I found out I was eligible to receive an airdrop of ENS tokens for having a .eth name from an Ethereum name service, ENS. See right here, it says ENS now available for claiming, so you could just come right here and click on this to see if you're eligible if you do have a .eth name. I would honestly do that if I was you. If you're not familiar with ENS.domains, it allows you to get a .eth address for your crypto wallet, much like a .com address for a website. This is something I did like 6 months ago just because all of the cool NFT people on Twitter had their own .eth addresses, and I wanted one too. I actually had no idea about the airdrop until I used this Earnify site, but I was able to get about $5,000 worth of ENS tokens airdropped directly into my wallet with just a few clicks. And then I just went to Uniswap and was able to exchange it for over 1 Ethereum. Not because I'm bearish on the ENS token or anything. I just wanted the ETH to so I could buy JPEGs. But you can use this Earnify service for free to see if you're eligible for any unclaimed airdrops and how much they are worth. But if you do have some to claim, it does cost like $20 or something to actually see what they are. But if you have like $5,000 waiting for you like I did, and it'll tell you, spending the $20 to figure out what it is and claim it was kind of a no-brainer. There was also a gas fee to claim the airdrop, of course, which sucks. But again, definitely worth it for an airdrop that big. Some of my friends who have had several .eth names for longer have gotten $20,000 or more in ENS airdrops. So you never know what's just waiting for you to claim sometimes. But like I said, if you have a .eth name and you don't want to spend this $20, especially if it only shows you like one airdrop worth a lot, then it's probably that. And you can save the $20 and just come straight here to the site and claim. But yeah, I'm just going to keep this video short and sweet and to the point. Just wanted to share this service with you in case anyone watching this might also have a nice big juicy airdrop like the one I did waiting for them to claim. So fingers crossed for you. I'm rooting for you. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This is a new channel. I'm just getting off the ground, and it really helps the channel to grow and reach more people. Thanks for watching, and I am wishing you fat fucking gains. Peace.